Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Agent Oaks, or near Allentown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Northampton, Wilson, Hellertown, Nazareth, Bath, Belvidere, Harmony, Alpha, Ferndale, Belfast, Flinttown, West Easton, Milford, Chatham, and Bloomsbury. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 47 and 61. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 50 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Lehigh, and Northampton. The following